Hey YouTube, this is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I did a video on AYRO back on March 3rd, and I come across some really interesting information, great catalyst that I think could propel this one higher. But again, that's my own opinion. You'd have to do your own due diligence. I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just stating my opinion here. But back to AYRO. Ticker AYRO, and you can see it's had kind of a great run up here today. Low of 640 and up 11% here today. But if you don't know what this one is, it's in the design of compact electric fleet solutions for use within urban and short haul markets. It offers Aero 311, Club Car 411 models. The company was founded in 2016. Small market cap of $237 million, and I've looked at this one a couple times. I have not bought into it yet for whatever reason, but I'm looking to get some shares now, and I'll show you the upcoming catalyst. Plus, there's earnings coming out here on the 12th, so it'll be another one to watch. But as a EV stocks, I think that's Quantum State, AYRO, Fisker, can't remember that one, ChargePoint, Blink, and Solo are riding higher today. On Monday, as investors look up to shares of companies after a rough week, investors returning to the stock market is a positive sign after last week's weakness results in a decline for many shares. There were several reasons for that fall. Interested readers can learn more about it at this link. And here's a quick breakdown of EV stocks that are on the rise today. QuantumScape, AYRO, Fisker, Canoe, ChargePoint, Blink Charging, Electromechanica Vehicles, Solo, and Industry First Electric Vaccine Vehicle launches to expand access to Rona vaccination and testing, and this is dated on Monday. But in response to the ongoing challenges facing the vaccine distributors, segment leaders Element, Club Car, AYRO, and Gallery Carts have teamed up to develop a compact zero-emissions vehicle offering that helps make vaccines more accessible. Again, dated on the 8th in Austin, Texas. A designer and manufacturer of light-duty short-haul and last-mile delivery electronic vehicles today announced the launch of the EV, which is designed specifically to mobilize a flexible, safe, and efficient means of delivering vaccines and testing to millions of people in 2021 and beyond. And if you're into Toy Story, that would be to infinity and beyond. So maybe this could be to infinity and beyond. Element Fleet Management, the world's largest pure-play automotive fleet manager, will offer sales, financing, solutions, and vehicle management services throughout the vehicle lifecycle to EVV fleet operators. Club Car, one of the most respected names in the golf and utility vehicle industry, will provide sales and service support for the vehicles to Element and its clients. Each company will leverage its national footprint and expertise to facilitate the development of EVs and meet urgent demand. So I thought this was pretty interesting information. Go ahead and pause and you can read the rest of this here to yourself. But I thought that was kind of interesting. Maybe this will give a boost and to the stock. And but again, it's multi-grade equipment outfitted with ultra-low temperature freezer and refrigeration units with Bluetooth-enabled data loggers and temperature monitoring devices to virtually track and log live inside readings and pharmaceutical conditions. So you'd have to have all that to be able to deliver the vaccines. Zero emissions, zero exhaust. The 100% electric vehicle can be moved into and operated indoors to allow medical providers to treat patients virtually anywhere without greenhouse gas GHG emissions or fumes. No specialized EV charging infrastructure required. Approximately 6 to 8 hours of equipment operation on a single charge. Compact size. Street legal. Can operate at 25 mile per hour on city streets with posted speeds up to 35 mile an hour. So this could be a huge catalyst for this particular EV company. But feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself, or else you can find it on Yahoo Finance. This kind of goes over the Element Fleet Management as the largest pure play automotive fleet manager in the world. About Club Car. Club Car has one of the most respected names in the golf industry for more than half a century. So there's quite a few different catalysts with this one. I can be totally optimistic and see how this could really grow in the future with their compact EVs. Everything's going to EV, as well as nobody's really making a compact one. So, and also to present Maxim Group's inaugural Emerging Growth Virtual Conference, and this is just dated here today. Investors can view Mr. Keller's general corporate presentation once they register for the conference here. An archived replay of the presentation will be available via the conference website. About AYRO engineers and manufacturers purpose-built electric vehicles to enable sustainable fleets with rapid customizable deployments that meet specific buyer needs. AYRO's agile EVs are an eco-friendly micro-distribution alternative to gasoline vehicles. And feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. Back to StockTwits. Amazing news. I'm so bullish on this niche play and glad to be here. And so this is just kind of some of the same news that we just went over here. Boards are always quiet except for the bears until things get lively. So from what I can see, people are bullish on this particular company, so very good news. And nothing here on tip ranks, but just wanted to bring that to your attention. And I didn't know if anybody out there really has this. I don't see too many people talking about it, but I thought this was a very interesting catalyst to maybe project this stock. And let's see if Robinhood cooperates here. So that's what it's done today. This is what it's done in the week. I actually looked at this one last week in about the $5 range, and of course didn't pull the trigger. So, but the 1 month isn't so great. It looks like it was up to $10 and down a little bit, 50%. The 3 month isn't too bad here. So, but if you have any of this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments, as well as your cost basis and how many shares you have. That would be really interesting to know. And if you have any other information on this one, that would be interesting to know as well. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. If there's any other stocks out there you want me to review, go ahead and put them in the comments. And thank you for watching. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.